With Humira, control is possible.
God dang! Hey! God shit! What the hell? Outside. No weapons on her.
Bust the window out. Bust the window out.
Where's the window punch? Window punch!
Window punch! Window punch! Window punch!
People cover. People
Cover, cover!
cover. I got cover.
Get out.
No matter how many times you've tried, you just can't lose weight and keep it off. Fad diets, calorie counting, exercises, they've never worked. That's because the real solution is to control your appetite. Join the millions who've discovered how to do just that with 100% Pure Garcinia Cambogia. That's right, Pure Garcinia Cambogia, with 60% HCA, is the most successful all-natural fat burner and appetite suppressant in the world. It was even featured on the Dr. Oz and other medical shows. Be Thin 100% Pure Garcinia Cambogia burns fat cells and controls your appetite by making you feel fuller and more satisfied, so you eat what you want, but you eat much less. Join the millions who use the world's #1 appetite suppressant and get the results you've always tried to get, but never could. Start losing weight right now with Be Thin 100% Pure Garcinia Cambogia, available at bethin.com.